Hi guys, have a nice day to all of you. Welcome back to my channel, Margie Adventure and Discovery. Ngayon may isi-share po akong video tungkol po sa China, kung ano pong nangyayari ating papanorin. Okay, don't forget to watch, share, and subscribe my channel. Okay, papanorin na po natin.
Super scary sound emitting from a mountain in Guizhou, China for more than 10 days. Many people are looking for the reason, but nobody can find the source of this horrible sound. Experts from Beijing also came to do research. However, so far no one knows where the sound came from. Some say this is called earthly dragon sound, warning about some kind of disaster like earthquake, volcano, flood. Some say the Bible also mentioned this sound. This is a signal warning that catastrophe is coming. Many say this is the sound of the people who died under the Chinese Communist Party dictatorship. In the last 70 years, the CCP has killed many innocent people. This is the sound from the hell. The gate of the hell is opening to pull the CCP down. All these opinions have one thing in common, warning about coming disaster. Coincidentally, on the 2nd of July, an earthquake of 4.5 Richter happened exactly at the place where the sound located. The CCP has to pay for its evil crime. Heaven is punishing it. Everyone should not stand with it, otherwise you will get the same result with it.
传达出来，他这运的鬼是。 回事。传达出来，他这运的回事。
Guys, ang opinion ko po tungkol sa nangyayari ngayon sa China ay galit na po ang may likha sa kanila dahil sa mga kasamaang ginagawa ng pamunuan ng China. Katulad ng kaya nangyayari po ngayon ang coronavirus dahil gusto lang ng may kapal na ibunyag po sa lahat sa buong mundo ang kanilang mga ginagawang kasamaan. Kaya nangyayari po ang mga ganitong pandemic ngayon. O kayo po, kung ano pong opinion nyo tungkol sa napanood ninyo, mag-comment na lang po kayo at pakipindot na lang po yung subscriber sa baba. Maraming salamat at see you next time. Bye.